Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you an updated method on how to see liked reels on Instagram. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Step 3. Look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap on them. Step 4. Within the menu, find and tap on Your Activity. Step 5. Under the Interactions section, tap on Likes. Step 6. Finally, select the post or video you'd like to view from your liked reels. And there you have it. You can now easily access and view your liked reels on Instagram using these simple steps. If you found this updated method helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy Instagramming!